Today, we will discuss Hostinger, GoDaddy, and Namecheap. Each of the three businesses offers a variety of web hosting services to meet different needs, including domain name registration services that let users buy and administer domain names. Now let's examine the main features of these three platforms. Hostinger, strong emphasis on user-friendly and reasonably priced web hosting, renowned for its unique control panel, known as H-panel, and strong performance. Generally regarded as a fantastic value hosting company, Hostinger is commended for its responsive live chat assistance and very competitive price, particularly for long-term contracts. GoDaddy, a well-known and sizable domain registrar that provides a large number of services linked to domains, frequently offers discounts. Although the rate of renewal may be higher, it provides a large selection of hosting choices, such as dedicated, VPS, and shared hosting. Namecheap, renowned for regular sales and affordable domain prices, it provides several domains with free WHOIS privacy protection. Solid reputation as a domain registrar. Although they provide a variety of hosting services, their primary focus is still on domains. All in all, even though they set themselves apart with features, pricing, and target markets, these fundamental commonalities put them in the same competitive landscape.